because for I dey see am as a small girl because based on say I senior am wella. So no matter anything, even though say she don blow, she don get plenty money, na still small girl na she be for my side. God don really bless dis girl, and God go continue to dey bless all our celebrity, whether big or small. God go dey bless dem, each and every one of dem, one by one. Dis one she dey celebrate her birthday, na her birthday na she dey celebrate. Dey come Regina Dannel, big lady. Small pikin with big God. So as him just dey come out, dey roll out with the senator husband. Dis girl no fear o. Hey, Ogbeni, God come have mercy upon me. Na wow. You know say na Regina Dannel come make all these girls now come dey marry mature men because of money dey involved. It's well.